Hello guys, I'm Nandakishore from Digitalrnk.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate SSL certificate in Hostinger. Before I start this video, I just wanted to give you an overview about SSL. It is very important for your SEO. The crawlers doesn't enter if the website has not enabled SSL certificate because it is not secure. There are high chances of stealing your information if you enter into a non-SSL website. So it is very important for you to get SSL. So if it is a e-commerce based website, the visitor will do online shopping and make the payment. There are chances of stealing your card information. The three main benefits of activating an SSL certificate is it boosts your website security, it increases your credibility, and it improves your SEO ranking. In this video, I will show you where to get the best reasonable SSL certificate and how to activate it. For your convenience, I have provided the link in the description box below. Just click on that and it will take you to the SSL certificate page. From there, you can make the purchase. Alright, I have opened this website. As you can see, the SSL certificate is not active for this site. Now we will see how to buy SSL certificate from Hostinger. I have logged into my Hostinger dashboard. Now click on SSL here. You can see this button, get it now. Just click on that and this window will pop up. In my case, I have already opened the cart page. I'll just make the payment. Once you have made the payment, come to home or click on this SSL menu, and as you can see here, SSL setup option, this window will appear. Now you have to choose the domain to which you want to install SSL certificate. Select the domain which you wanted to install and then click install SSL. Now your SSL is successfully installed. Your SSL is now installed and you have automatically forced HTTPS on your domain. Now go to HPanel dashboard by clicking this manage button and scroll all the way down until you find SSL. Under advanced, you will see SSL. Click on that, and here you will see the list of installed SSL certificates. You can see for which domain it's installed, issuer, expiry date, key size, and actions. Under this, you can see it's forcing to HTTPS from HTTP. Alright, now I'll open the website and click refresh. Boom, the lock symbol is on, which means your website is secure. One last thing what we have to do is to make sure it is going to HTTPS. Go to WordPress dashboard. From here, you want to go to plugins and add new, and in the search box type in really simple SSL plugin and you'll find this plugin. Click install. Once it's installed, click activate. That's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and simple thing, but it saves a lot of things. So hope you guys have found this video useful. Please support me by subscribing to my channel Digitalrnk, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. That way you will receive all my latest video updates. If you haven't followed my social media channels, then links are in the description box below. Go ahead and follow them. Thank you. In my next video, I will show you how to set up the best payment gateway and integrate it to your website and start receiving the money. Until then, take care, keep learning. Peace out.